people are secretly using AI agents to make money while they sleep. One guy turned free AI tools into $14,000 without employees. And the scary part is this entire system can run from your phone. Watch this carefully, because this is replacing beginner remote jobs right now. Right now, thousands of creators are building invisible AI systems that work 24 hours a day without breaks. While most people scroll social media for entertainment, smart creators are quietly using AI to automate outreach, book appointments, and generate online income automatically. Here's how the system actually works. First, they open ChatGPT and generate high-converting outreach messages in seconds. Then, those messages are connected to automated DM funnels on TikTok, Instagram, and email. After that, AI voice agents follow up with leads automatically, sounding almost human. And while the creator is sleeping, the AI keeps working. It messages potential customers. It follows up with leads. It books appointments. And every booked call becomes money. The craziest part is most people still think AI is only for homework, funny images, and simple chatbot replies. Meanwhile, smart operators are building entire faceless businesses around AI automation. One person now controls the work of entire teams. One person handles multiple clients. One person runs outreach systems across different accounts at the same time. And businesses are paying, because these systems save them thousands of dollars every single month. Think about it. Local dentists need more bookings. Gyms need more customers. Roofing companies need more leads. Real estate agents need more appointments. And AI now does follow-ups faster than human assistants. This is why AI automation agencies are exploding right now. This is why faceless creators are scaling so fast. And this is why beginner remote jobs are quietly disappearing. AI automation systems generate leads, automate follow-ups, improve booking rates, increase customer responses. And here's where most people fail. They overcomplicate everything. But the people making money start simple. One AI tool, one niche, one automated action repeated at scale. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and your AI already contacted leads, followed up with clients, booked appointments. That's why the biggest opportunity right now is not just content creation. It's AI-powered distribution. Because while everyone else scrolls, the AI keeps working.